Hey guys, meet the latest 2019 edition of Viofo A119 V3. It is loaded with Quad HD Plus and Sony STARVIS IMX335 5MP sensor. Come with advanced parking mode, f1.6 aperture, 7 elements glass lens with 2-inch LCD screen, and so on. Alright, let's unbox it. As you can see, A119 is well protected indeed, covered with plastic and foam board. Same applies to all its accessories. Rest assured that it will arrive at your doorstep in perfect condition. This is Viofo A119 V3 dashcam itself. Build quality is great with sturdy plastic housing. Mine comes with a GPS module. You can record car speed, location, and time then. By the way, there is a super high quality capacitor inside to provide stable power and longer lifetime. And here are the rest of the accessories that you get, starting from the user manual in English, 2 non-GPS mount, 5 cable management clips, a mini USB cable, extra 3M sticker, 4 EVA forms, and mount detaching string, car adapter with dual USB ports. Finally, the long charging mini USB cable. Well, that's all for Viofo A119 V3 unboxing. A detailed review is coming up soon. Be sure to stay with me. Thanks for watching. Peace.